resource management, as I said, so first is your interaction management, your scope management, your time management, your cost management, your quality management. I think till this you have already learned about it, or you have touched, what is an interaction management is very most important right from the first, how you're going to interact, how you're going to start the project, how you're going to take off the project. So discussion, design part, your feasibility workout part. So everything will fit in into your interaction management. Your scope, what will be your scope of your project? How far the scope is going to extend, what will be the demand, or will be the supply, or how this project will be ended in your profit. So that is all talk about your scope management. Your time management, everybody knows, yes, secretly you are going to finish this project. Any lag in your time management, how you're going to procure your time management, and how you're going to end it. Your cost, yes. So your quality, I think last project you have done your quality management. And human resource management, yes, you're going to study your human resource or resource management. Next will be your communication management, which is very important in your project management. So where your communication is not there, we ended up in a very serious problem, because all the setups, this is a very basic management we have to follow, right? This can be done within number weekly, like say my daughter is saying do this. If I'm not doing or not, I have to tell it back to her whether I've done this or not. Otherwise she would have given some, like when assignment panninga, okay neenga panniteenga nenchi nanu I thought everybody has committed, but late submissions have been, most of late submissions are there, so which is lagged in your communication. If it is very response, if it is there in your project, then it's going to be a serious cause for your cost as well as your time. Management, it is there in each and every part of management, right? From the interaction or scope or time or cost. How far you're going to take off this risk management? I think you will study in detail itself your risk management. I think you've studied or you have to study. We're finished? Are you there?
இன்னும் இன்டெப்தா அது படிக்கலாம் மேம். ஜஸ்ட் ரிஸ்க் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்ல என்ன வரும்ன்றது மட்டும் ஜஸ்ட் மட்டும்
So I think in next semester you will learn what is a risk management, and next will be your procurement management, and all this will give you a project management knowledge, right? So yes, so unit 1 we are going to say about what is your introduction. So how is your organization setups? Yes, then your what modern enterprises, informal groups, managements, employees, human resource management. How will be your organization setup? How you think will be, it will be. Then we'll go into the thing. Oh, after lunch, no sleeping. Yes, Nanda, Jehan, Harshini, Surendra. Are you people there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Organization will be like head will be there, like project manager or any organization head, and below him there will be the managers who is managing different departments, and below them there will be the staffs who is working under them. I mean,
Okay.
who they are working.
Yes. So yes, if you have a small, if it is a small organization, it's a big organization, or except for one man show, either everything should be in your process for doing all your project management. Project management, if when entrepreneur is single and doing that project, is in a different case, because in and out of the project. Right, material is there, labor is there, everything. But we are going for an organizational setup. Then you have to have a communication, and you have to have a header of employees should be present too. Yes. So நான் இப்போ எல்லாருமே வந்து they're not interacting, right? நான் வந்து இப்போ we'll have a school எல்லாம், என் பொண்ணு ஸ்கூல்ல எல்லாம் they'll have a small play and then they will start the class. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணுமோ? Yes. நோ நீனோ எல்லாரும் நல்லா சாப்பிட்டுட்டே உட்காந்துருக்கீங்களா சிஸ்டத்துக்கு முன்னாடி?
இல்ல மேம்,
சாப்பிட்டு முடிச்சிட்டீங்க. இந்த மாதிரி பிளே கே ஏதாவது கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுமா? ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸுக்காக வேண்டிய ஒரு பிளே எல்லாம் கண்டக்ட் பண்றாங்க என் பொண்ணு கிளாஸ்ல எல்லாம். கம்பல்சரியா அதுக்கப்புறம் முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த ஐ எக்ஸசைஸ் ஷோல்டர் எக்ஸசைஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு தான் வேற போனோம்.
இதுலயே டைம் முடிஞ்சிடும் மேம்.
இது இல்லைன்னா வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்க்கு they are not having any proper interaction because they are very kids no. So அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு எனக்கு. எல்லாருமே மியூட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. அதுவும் அவங்க ஆடியோ ஆன்ல இருக்கணும் கம்பல்சரியா. வீடியோ ஆன் ஆடியோ ஆன். ஸோ இங்க ரெண்டுமே ஆஃப்ல இருக்கா. ஸோ நம்ம ஐ டோன்ட் நோ வெதர் யூ பீப்புள் ஆர் தேர் ஆர் யூ ஆர் நாட் தேர் ஆர் சரண் மாதிரி ஆளுங்க எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு they have gone. What Gautam?
மேம் நான் இருக்கேன் மேம்.
Charan இருக்கீங்க. Okay, what Gautam? You're very quiet. How your organization is going? Mic problem. Okay, fine. Nice. Okay. Yes. How you will set up an organization? How you say yes, you have set up your organization, or Pujita or anybody else who are already having an organization? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. How your organization is all about?
We are a very small organization.
Yes, but you too will have a structured thing, no? Because we have to have rightly. Number real estate we have to have your GST. We have to have your 10 and everything. So we will have some kind of an organization set up. Either if you're not having it, then you should form it and you have to go in and.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What kind of an organization setup you have?
We've registered for everything, ma'am. GST, income tax, everything, ma'am.
Yes. That is not organization. Na? You will have a chief architect will be there. Then your senior architects will be there. Yes, you have a senior architects, then your junior architects, then your draftsman.
அதெல்லாம் இல்ல ma'am.
அதெல்லாம் இல்ல. You will chief and you will itself act as an.
We've got a civil engineer.
Okay.
And we are 3 chief architects. So as of now, we are managing work amongst ourselves.
Yes. So normally,
other than that, we've got lots of labor under us.
Yes. So normally in a small organization, or say we'll just take off C.N. Narayan Rao setup மாதிரி ஒரு organizationல இருக்கிறோம்னா, you will have your CEO. So from the CEO, you will be subordinate to your chief. Then you will have your senior architects, you have your junior architects, then you have a draftsman, then you have separate wings. Say of structural, you have a wing. So structural manager or architect, structural engineer will be there. Then you will have your electrical engineer. Then you will have your civil engineer will be a site-oriented works. And plumbing engineer, sanitary engineering will be there. So you have lots of other wings will be developed. From that engineering, you will have they will have a senior person and a junior person and the draftsman. So this is how the setup. Then go for the site, yes, you will have a project manager. So from the project manager, you will have all the vendors will be subordinate, like from your HVAC or all your other vendors will be segregated. Then you will have your labors. Then you will have your site engineers and everything. And so you will have a periodic meetings will be present. So either the cost is going on control or the time is going on control, the quality, the risk, everything will have a periodic meetings will be concentrated. And then we will have that minutes will be again given. And this is how the setup will run, right? So you have lots of. So you have your unit 1, human resource development is there. Then you have your introduction, how your organization setups are going to happen. And there are different types of group of organizations also there. So then how your employees are being there into your organization and your human resource management finally. Yes. So Yes, project resource management is all about you take most efficient use of work involved in your project, and there is the three main process are there: organizational planning, staff acquisition, and team development. So generally, every staff, we will take how you are going to appoint a staff. You will have some criterias, right? What kind of criterias you will be basing it out? Am I audible?
Based on experience, no?
Yes, depend upon your first another type of placement they are going to come. Either you're going for experience, experience, yes, based upon your experience, based upon the gender. Sometimes now the receptionist pandana, I will just only take about your thing. If not, yes. So depending upon all your acquisition, we're going to see, and your team development. How you're going to develop your team. So majorly, this will be. It's very important to have your team development, because if any quarrel or queries or egos are being present in your team development, then the entire process will be gone. So to keep in mind, to transmit the time limit and only one time nature of project for this human resource management, and ensure that they'll compliance with the project management activities. How far you have to, for any management, I've said, for any of these management, we have to correlate to the project management, and that is will be the head of the entire project, right? Then we should have this and all basic. So if you have 1 or 9 managers or 10 managers or any managers, you should have a very good relationship. And your project organization setup should be in a very transparent way, and there should not be any conflict. So that in case any team member, that you will have a dual role also, because if it is a manager role, in some set of organizational setups, in office site engineer decision that will be the final decision. So it's need not be mannered. Excuse me, I'll just stop. So sorry. So it's need not manner that in all presence and architect should be present. No, it is mandatory. Some decision can be taken by the site engineer. So that is, an organization has to have the limits what thing he can let in or not. So that is a basic strategy of doing it, because if I'm very liable to my staff, then he will be also liable to me, right? So in that, he can act as a boss, yes. To some extent, yes, he can take a right decision, or yes. If not, he has to take its responsibilities. Then how compromise, or otherwise both sides will lose. And there's any team experts, you have to have a satisfaction to promote it up. And functional project manager likely to exercise power, authority, and influence. So the project managers will be the final switchy thing, and he has to exercise the power, authority, and influence to the thing. Yes. So yes, what is an organizational planning? Are you people there, or you till now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think Abhinay only understood. Praveen, are you there? Yes, Praveen. How your organization is going to be, Praveen? How you're set up? Either you have to give all full freedom to your staffs, or it should be a jolly thing. Normally, architect office will be of an informal case, or it won't be a stick to some direct situation. Deputy, how your thing is going to happen? How you're planning to have a project manager? A project manager in this thing and all, you will be having. You have to come across all these things, right? So, you're going to set it up.
own firm project manager
own firm எப்படி ரன் பண்ண போறேன், எப்படி இருக்கும், எப்படி இருக்கணும்னு ஒரு கனவு கண்டுட்டு போனேன். So when I was sitting now, I just think of my office ல ஒரு 10 staff members இருக்கணும், ஒரு 2 junior architect இருக்கணும். So how you would have been structured something, no, this is the way and this is the way I have to be.
Okay, ma'am.
How that is?
இப்போ வந்து வீக்லி வந்து நம்ம இப்போ 5 days ஒர்க் பண்ணா போதும் மேம். இப்போ 5 daysல வந்து இப்போ இன்டர்ன்
you're going to Praveen, நீங்க வந்து ஒரு பாஸா இருக்க போறீங்க, right? I think
இல்ல ஒர்க் பண்ண போறேன்னு இல்லை மேம், சொல்றேன் ஆஃபீஸ் எப்படி ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றேன்.
ஓகே ஃபைன்.
அதான் மேம் வீக்லி வந்து இப்போ ஒரு இன்டர்ன் எடுக்கிறேன்னு, ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு இன்டர்ன் எடுக்கிறேன்னா
ஓகே
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஒரு மண்டே டு ஃப்ரைடே நான் வந்து ஷெடியூல் போட்டு இந்த ஒர்க் நான் கொடுத்துட்றேன், பண்ணிய சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அண்ட் சாட்டர்டே வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு மெட்டீரியல் நாலேஜுக்கும் லோக்கல் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் பற்றி அவைலபிலிட்டி அதனுடைய இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஸ்டடி பண்ண சொல்லி அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகே
அந்த மாதிரி வீக்லி ஒன்ஸ் வந்து அந்த ஆஃபீஸ் ஒர்க் இல்லாமல் அவுட் சைட் ஒர்க், மேபி சைட் விசிட்டாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை மெட்டீரியல் அவைலபிலிட்டியாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை வெண்டர்ஸ் போய் மீட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கலாம். ஸோ அது மூலமாக எனக்கும் வந்து ஆஃபீஸ் ரன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும், அவங்களுக்கும் லேர்னிங் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்.
ஓகே
இந்த மாதிரி
படிச்சுக்காம மத்த நைல திணிச்சு நீ படிச்சுக்க போற அதானே?
அதுதான் அவங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும், எனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்குல்ல மேம்.
ஓகே
அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சின்ன பிளான், அதை விட்டு
அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சின்ன ஆசையோட இருக்கேன். சோ when I went to
போது இது இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும்னு நினைச்சேன் மேம், அதனால அது அப்படியே.
No, this is the happened once when I was going to study in work one place. Then I went there, he said me doing all these stuffs, idella nee enakku panni eduthu vanda, you just do this all these things stuffs and you give me.
Oh,
and I said, sir, idella vanda office work mari illa, this all like college work, because I was also want to do real estate management. So he was also he's my senior, hopefully after when I joined. So and he said, Anita, this is the first thing you have to do for this, because everything is an assignment part. So cut, copy, paste. I said, sir, I just want an architecture project because now basically my father is an architect, so I have an architect firm. I just came out for to have knowledge, not to have a studying part of this. Then he said, and then I got seat. I just went to back, and he was sitting there in the class. So somehow we finished the assignment and he came. I said, sir, how you come? No, my wife has finished it for me, ma'am. Okay, fine, nice. So if you have this kind of knowledge, na, என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு architect will come across, say, sir படிக்கவே இல்லை sir, எல்லாமே நான் தான் பண்ணி கொடுத்தேன். Right? So you should also have a very nice discussion to him, and you learn before it, and you have to add on more gender, right?
okay.
If same thing was happened in my BR internship, I was working with Murli sir. So what you said, the same setup was been there. Every Friday morning 8 to 10 o'clock will be his discussion section. Right? He will discuss his projects. He will tell us the materials. He will tell how to think of an architect that should be there. Say, he would taught me how to design a building. So basically he will say this, because we had a very nice batch. I think Adil, have you experienced all this thing, or he stopped doing it?
மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் பத்தி பண்றதெல்லாம் ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடுச்சு மேம். ஜஸ்ட் டிசைன் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்ணதுக்கு வந்து நல்லா சப்போர்ட் பண்ணாங்க, ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க.
Yes. No, sir will take classes. Actually, sir will take class. All the classes he will take. So one day, because we had on the time we had 10 trainees were there from 10 different colleges came. So he explored more. So with
நாங்க
us,
பண்ண 40 trainees மேம்.
if 40 trainees, then it should be like a college, right?
உட்கார சேர் இருக்காது மேம். எந்திரிச்சு சாரை பார்க்க போனா வந்து பார்க்கும்போது சேரை தூக்கிடுவாங்க. அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் நின்னுட்டு வேலை பார்க்கணும்.
Okay. So that is how it will be. Actually sir will take classes. எங்க இருக்குமோ 10 trainee இருக்கறனால might be he was easy to take the classes anytime. So he will have என்ன ஆனாலும் he will take. Sir, நான் நிறைய வாட்டி I will faint it, because 8 o'clock start பண்ணி 10 o'clock வரைக்கும் நின்னுட்டே class எடுக்கணும்னா mostly I will faint. So he will bring me breakfast, again he'll feed me, again he will take the class. So the class will not be cut. So I've learned something out of it. So we can learn when there is an interaction. So a knowledge transfer should be also there. Yes, Praveen at office, I think if any vacancy is there, Praveen, I'll just come and join.
Okay.
Yes, as an intern கூட பரவாயில்லை தம்பி, சொல்லி கொடுத்தலாம் பரவாயில்லை. Yes, no problem. To learn, not to have a knowledge sharing is yes.
That's me.
Yes. No age is bad. So no problem. You can teach me. Yes.
Okay.
Any appointment order will come to my mail ID.
எனக்கு என்னமோ நீங்க தான் எனக்கு வேலை கொடுக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
அப்படிலாம் no negative thoughts. நம்ம தான் we have to give, no? So yes, so organizational planning வந்து you will have an identifying, you will document, you assign the project roles and responsibilities and reporting the relationship. So this is very important in your organization setup. So first நம்ம என்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்றோம்ன்றத நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டீடைலா அதோட ஸ்கோப்ல the limitல இருந்து everything, right? For decision is you're doing, no? Everything you have to be in pakka thing. Everything should be in fingertips. I'll refer and I'll come. No, that should not be there. And you have to have a proper documentation when you do an organization setup. இப்போ டக்குன்னு say if I'm going to get a loan, நான் என்னன்னா அவன் கேள்வி கேட்கறதுக்கெல்லாம் நம்ம டப்புன்னு சொல்லணும். So if there is proper documentation is not there, then end of the process everything will be getting collapsed, right from the transactional, right from the finance or in your resource or procurement, everything. The documentation should be maintained. And it should be very transparent too. And assigning your project roles is very important. So who will do this work proper, who not will do the proper. So those things will be assigning, you have to think and assign the project. And if it is assigned, the responsibility, what he has to decide, responsibility should be given to him, or what type of responsibilities you're going to give to him, and to what stage you are going to give that responsibility to him. And reporting of relation manager on how far the communication comes here. So how you communicate with them, and rather intense work is done. We to have a reporting system. So normally this will be again divided into 3 individual or group assignments. Will have internal or external employees. You have like freelancers linked with communication planning. So these all 3 setups will have for organizational planning. So what you majorly have your inputs now, organizational interface. So it can be a formal or informal, I said. It can be a formal meeting. Every Saturday we'll have a proper meeting, right? So then you will have report, and you should document, and then you will have a report, and an organization has to have a feedback of it. And even the employee has to have a feedback. So this is there happening in your college too, right? You have a staff feedback form and a student feedback form, right? So if anything is there, the dean will again call and staff and say this, yes, this is the problem faced by your students. So please take care of it. Or the students, yes, intern, this Adil is always bullying me in the class, ma'am. He's not letting me to take class. Gautam is always bullying me in the class. Now Gautam mic is off, so I'm jolly, right? So that is the way you have your relationship managing. And then technical interface, yes, which is most important. And among the technical, you have engineers, manufacturers, or stakeholders. All the stakeholders will come here. Then your organization structure versus where you are very strong, where you are very weak, or you have 2 types of thing. And collective bargaining arrangements of contractual arrangements, and preference of your project management team and expected staff assignments. So what will be the tools will be you use the similar projects. You normally what you will do, we'll have a setup. Normally we can use it our own project, say small project or big project, or a project when there's not up, we will cut, copy, paste everything, and we will have it. So normal references, we'll have one thing, blah, and then next file will be of your all the drawings, CAD drawings, or enna reference la irukku, enna working drawing, enna idu ellame we'll have a similar project. Adhe template we used to follow. So human management, resource management practices, policies, guidelines, everything you have to know. What if you're going to take a labor, how the salary or wages have been fixed, or how the safety has been for them. Everything has to be in the policies, towards policies, and towards your guidelines. So anybody know which is the pay commission is going right now?
Sixth pay commission.
What pay commission? யாரோ சொன்னீங்க, எனக்கு ஒழுங்கா கேட்கல. 6th pay commission. Nobody knows. So you have the government as normally will have a guideline in the 6th pay commission or 7th pay commission. Now they're going to 8th pay commission. Now everything, all salaries have been reducing it. So there's no pay commissions now. So normally pay commissions will tell about, will get about say of a senior cadre இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு this experience or this kind of a cadre இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு you will get this much of pay, or for this cadre you have to give them this much of pay. So every cadre you will have how much you have to pay, and you should not pay. In the 7th pay commission, everything is being loaded there. So எல்லாத்துக்குமே எல்லா wagesக்குமே you have a policies and guidelines. There is nothing so ஐயோ நான் எவ்வளவு கேக்குறது தெரியல அப்படிலாம் no, right? So there is a pay commissions are there, and how important the increments are being given to them is also present. Then the stakeholder analysis needed. Stakeholders should be analyzed thoroughly before letting them in, because if they come inside and they are not doing their job perfect, then we should not end it. So the documentation helps us in a